Tikulandireni omvera athu nonse kulikonse kumwe muli kuchokera mzigawo zonse zinayi za mdziko lino. Dziwani kuti ifa Dreams Media timakunyadirani kwambiri chifukwa munapanga chisankho chotsatira ife kuti tizikupatsirani zonse zomwe zikuchitika mdziko muno.
Tonse pamodzi makamaka tikudziwanso kuti Skeffa Chimoto adatukwanika adanyozeka kamba kokuti chipani chomwe adali iyeyu kapena chomwe ali ndi chipani chomwe chinaoneka zokuti amalawi makamaka adadana nacho kwambiri chipani chimenechi cha MCP. So tikaona makamaka Skeffa Chimoto ali pamodzi ndi makamaka Lazarus chakwera kapenanso kuona kuti Skeffa ali kusonkhano umene wa MCP, amalawi amatukwana amayankhula zinthu zodabwitsa kuzera pa ground komanso pa social media. Koma chosangalatsa kwambiri ndicho kuti tonse tikudziwa kuti Skeffa Chimoto adakwanilisa makamaka ukafika nawo kumene ku nyumba ya malamulo. So Dzulo adayankhulapo zinthu ziwiri zitatu zimenenso amalawi ena achonga ena athetha. Kodi Skeffa Dzulo adayankhula kuti chani? So ndikusiyirani kanema ameneyi kuti mumve bwinobwino kuyambira kumayambiriro mpaka na kumapeto. Koma ndimanena kuti mukafika kumapeto osamaiwala kuti panga sapoti munjira ngopanga like, share komanso subscribe. Tatiyeni timve zimene Skeffa Chimoto adayankhula dzuloli kumeneku ku parliament.
Constituency, the BDC. So I will not say much about things that are very obvious, because that is my duty to speak with them, the people that I'm going to work with. However, there are some other things that cannot be addressed within the 5 billion that has been allocated. By saying that, I'm not trying to be someone who doesn't appreciate. We are really excited and happy that this has been promised. But before I continue, Malawians have shown us that they listen much to action than words. So whatever we tell them we are going to do for them, we have to do it. Let me start with education. Education in our constituency, the free education is an exciting news. But at the same time, there are some areas that need to be looked into properly for the free education to be more effective. For example, we have 5 secondary schools in our constituency, but out of 5, only 1 has boarding facilities. So, for example, for someone from Kumbaleza to go to Mkaiga Secondary School, it's a distance of about 15 kilometers. So it means if they have to go and come back, they have to cover 30 kilometers a day. Now we are looking at a girl child. For them to avoid going and coming back, they resort to self-boarding, which is also very dangerous for a girl child. Thank you so much for the 5 billion, because that will address that. But at the same time, in the healthy sector, at 9 a.m. on Wednesday, 7th of October 1981, this man you are seeing here was born. And that hospital where I was born is still the only hospital of that area. 44 years down the line, that is to tell us that our area has been stagnant. We haven't moved forward for 44 years, because population by then has been tripled now, or maybe more than 5 times now. So as we are appreciating the 5 billion, but I'm also of the view that we need to have a new hospital around the same area. And in the same sector, we have an area which is very big, but the whole area has never had a government hospital. a huge population. But if it wasn't for Roman Catholic, the church that has provided us with healthy care, of course, at a certain amount of money, they have been of help to us. I believe with the 5 billion, of which may not be enough, we need to construct another health center at Mkaiga Secondary School.
Order members, order. Order to my right. Order to my right.
Mr.
Order to my right.
Deputy Speaker, sir.
Honor members, the honorable
I
member
come from a background
is
that
presenting a maiden speech. Honor member, hold on. The honorable member is presenting a maiden speech. He's speaking in the House for the first time. Let's accord him an opportunity to be heard in silence.
Sir.
Thank you.
I come from a background that the booing is the order of the day, so don't have to worry. I'm enjoying it. As we are celebrating the 5 billion kwacha, there is an outcry in our constituency for the road that the song has been sung for many years that needs to be tarmacked from Mkaika all the way to Mwansambo, and if possible, it can go all the way to Nchisi. This road, the need for this road has been long overdue. Someday I'll take some of you to my constituency when you shall see that Mwansambo Training Center is a very big training center. But if there is a thing that has been hindering the development, is lack of the road. So I beg of you, lucky enough, I know the Minister of Local Government. Of course, I don't know if it is parliamentary to say he is my friend. It is parliamentary.
It is parliamentary.
Thank you so much.
To call someone a
so
friend.
I've already told the people there that my friend now is the one on the seat. So this road will be tarmacked. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, what I'm going to say next is not out of being disrespectful or being hopeless. Our country, we are a faithful country. We believe there is God in heaven. And when we talk about a problem, we know that there is a solution to every problem. In the energy sector, this morning, the Kabaza guys from Byojo Training Center, Benga Training Center, Mwansambo Training Center, were calling me to say, for the very first time, fuel price has hit 15,000 per liter. This is not out of hopelessness. This is one way of amplifying the voice of the people that sent me here for the House to appreciate the extent of the problems where we are now. At the same time, 2/3 of my constituency is by the lake side of the constituency.
You have 2 minutes to go, Honour Member.
Thank you so much. So for the fishermen, they rely 100% on fuel. No fishing means no life to them. They are crying out to the hearing ears because they believe collectively we can come up with a solution. And we have already started hearing from the minister that structures are being put in place to overcome the problem. We are expectant that soon and very soon we shall sing a new song. Before I resume my seat, so you want me to sing? before I resume my seat, let me repeat what I said in the first place. That people in Malawi now have shown us that they listen much on the actions, not the words. Let me give a very humble advice to both sides. Our hunger for sitting on the other side is not bigger than that of seeing our people's lives being buried. And let me promise you, the government side, that I will give you 100% by disagreeing with you on the things that need to be disagreed. And let me also pledge my support that I will agree with you on the things that will make my people, the people that I represent, better. With these few remarks, if they are few at all, Let me finish. This is a very humble request, very humble warning to everyone in this house, that if we don't give people what is expected of us, come 2030, these people will judge us.
Tikuyamikeni komanso kuthokozani popanga chisankho chokhala pamenepa kumvetsera komanso kuonera zomwe takubweretserani. Chomwe tingakupempheni choti ngati muli alendo pamudzi pano tapangani subscribe, chifukwa mukatero inu ndi ife tidzendera limodzi kuyambira lero mpaka na masiku omwe akubwera kusogoloko. Timabweratu ndi nkhani zochokera ngodya zonse zinayi za mdziko lino, kotero kuti inu simukuyenera kuti mukhale kunja kwa nkhani zimenezi. Tapangani subscribe, like, comment komanso share kuti tikhale limodzi mu ulendo umenewu.